guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to replace the chain sprocket on my RS457 because it's due for a replacement since a long time. You can see over here the chain is becoming tight and then it's becoming loose, which is making that jerking effect while I'm accelerating. So I've already got the parts. This is the genuine chain. You can see it over here. So it has 106 links and the MRP is 3582. I have also got the drum rubbers, even this is also genuine Piaggio, and I have got the front sprocket. I am not replacing the rear sprocket this time because the damage is on the front sprocket and the chain. Usually people replace the entire kit. Last time even I replaced the entire kit, but this time I am just replacing the front sprocket and the chain. The fact is that I did not find the rear sprocket. These parts are sold separately and it was not available in the showroom. So I came here to Ramkoti in Hyderabad to get these parts, and I got it for a good deal from a shop. I'll post the link in the description section down below. And I am here at a store in Ramkoti. They deal with super bikes. You can see a Triumph Street Triple. There's a Yamaha R1 and a genuine Busa. So they do pretty good job, and they are charging around 1500 rupees for the chain sprocket replacement on my motorcycle. So because I did not get it on the dealership, I came here, and most probably I'll be going for a long ride and I don't have much time. The shop from where I purchased these parts, he said that the rear sprocket is not available as of now, but within 4 to 5 days it will be available. So if I feel that the rear sprocket also needs a replacement, I will get it replaced. And you can see the chain is getting removed. So this is the old chain sprocket. इसमें डैमेज कहाँ दिखता है भैया?
ये जो रहता ना ये
हाँ।
टीथ जो है बेंड हो जाता।
अच्छा, ये स्लाइट बेंड जो दिख रहा है यही है।
जो ऊपर का जो स्लाइड बेंड हो गया।
हाँ।
और एकदम इसके जो पॉइंट्स है ये।
हाँ।
ये इसमें क्या है, ये जो रूलर्स आते हैं।
हाँ।
वो जरा बड़ा हो जाता।
ओके, इसके वजह से चेन जर्क होके चलता है।
बराबर।
Got. Okay. So you heard what the technician said. This is the damaged front sprocket, and we will replace the chain also. ये चेन निकालने के लिए पूरा बोल्ट निकाल के ये निकालना पड़ता नहीं?
जरूरत नहीं पड़ता, हम लोग क्या करते हैं
नहीं कट नहीं, वो
कट कर देते हैं।
उसको नहीं कट करना है,
चैन उसको कट नहीं करते, हम लोग रिपीटिंग कर देते हैं।
नहीं रिपीट मत करो भैया, इसको निकाल के डालो, उसको कट मत करो।
ठीक, आप जैसा बोले।
हाँ। So the tire is out of the main frame. इसमें क्या डैमेज हुआ भैया?
इसमें डैमेज ये हो गया, ये दिख रहा है आपको?
हाँ, ये मार्क दिख रहा है यहाँ पे।
ये जो मार्क में लबर जो रहता है, अपन गियर शिफ्टिंग जब करते हैं।
हाँ, तो इस पे लोड पड़ता है।
इसमें।
करेक्ट।
चैन जब अप एंड डाउन रहता है,
हाँ।
तब ये झटका पड़ता है ये अंदर।
हाँ, तो इसके वजह से हमको न्यू चेंज करना ही है।
ये चेंज करना।
इससे भी स्मूथ हो जाता अपना गियर शिफ्टिंग भी।
पक्का स्मूथ हो जाता है। ये देखो, हर जगह पे, हर लबर पे है ये।
ओके, यस। हाँ, यहाँ क्लियर दिख रहा है अभी। ऐसे देखे तो मेरे को लग रहा है वो तो सही है करके।
नहीं, ऐसा देखे तो सही लगता है।
There is a Daytona 675 over here in a mint condition. Absolutely love this bike. Proper white and red color with SC Project full system exhaust. And what bike is this? This is the first generation R1, I guess. Yeah, this is under heavy repair. So we are cleaning the sprocket hub using petrol. We will also clean that chain sprocket. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is chain guide, right? Chain guide. Okay. Chain guide is super clean. The rear sprocket also looks brand new. Almost नया जैसा ही दिख रहा है ये। ये wheel, ये hub दिखा दो. Yeah, you can see this is also clean. They removed the dust cap of the bearing and cleaned it with petrol. So everything is neat and clean. Now only thing is we have to remove the old chain and replace it with the new one.
इसमें देख लो, ये मार्क्स वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं।
हाँ, ये एकदम ब्रांड न्यू है।
इसमें मार्क्स वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं।
तो इससे अपने को जर्क भी कम हो जाएगा गियर शिफ्टिंग के टाइम का।
शिफ्टिंग एकदम स्मूथ हो जाएगा अपना।
नया करके एकदम टाइट जा रहा है, नहीं तो पुराने वाले में ऐसे ही चले आ रहा है।
चले जाता है एकदम।
So the new chain is getting installed, and the old chain is over here. You can see this is the new sprocket, this is the old sprocket. Both are exactly same, but you can see the difference. It is slightly bent. It is clearly visible through the eyes. Whereas this one, yeah, over here it is bent. Yeah, I can see. But this one is very straight. So this is the difference between a damaged and the new sprocket. लगा दो भैया. We have cleaned the entire area and now installing the front sprocket. So the front sprocket cover is also super clean. So finally the chain sprocket has been replaced. I just took a test ride. No more jerking effect. Everything looks fine. The bike is riding smooth like a gem. You can see the new chain. The new sprocket is over here, and this is the old sprocket. They've just cleaned it and it is working perfectly fine. So they've charged me 1500 rupees for this, and they have done a fantastic job of replacing the chain and sprocket. I think better than the showroom guys, because the showroom guys, I never saw them cleaning the chain sprocket so nicely. And the chain sprocket is replaced at around 33,000. This was the second set. So yeah, I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and also post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.